In this fast-paced world, being up to date is crucial for us. And for that, you must be aware of the most recent advancements in technology. In this video, we'll be showcasing the 7 coolest gadgets and inventions that are future-proof. Not only will they save your time, but also help to get the job done perfectly. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Imagine telling Amazon Alexa to clean your pool and it's done in no time. Yes, it's possible with the WYBOT Robotic Pool Cleaner. Powered by a solar panel, this cutting-edge device never needs to be removed from your pool for charging. With the gadget, obstacles like drain caps and bumps on your pool floor or walls are no longer a hassle. A charging option is also available. With its magnetic charging feature, you can expect a full charge in 2 hours. WYBOT goes the extra mile to make maintenance a breeze. The exceptional filtration system and roomy filter basket of WYBOT ensure thorough dirt and debris capture, minimizing the need for frequent basket emptying. Typically, you'll only need to clean the filter basket once a week, saving you valuable time and effort. Moreover, it seamlessly integrates with popular voice assistants like Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, allowing you to effortlessly control and monitor your pool cleaning with simple voice commands. Now here is the BioPod, an extraordinary leap in greenhouse innovation set to transform the art of cultivating high-value plants. Drawing inspiration from space design, the BioPod presents an entirely enclosed production system shielded from the whims of weather and changing seasons. Regardless of your location, you now possess the ability to nurture plants that traditionally demand specific climate conditions or distinct seasons. Enjoy a serene experience as it effortlessly takes care of everything, carefully adjusting temperatures and humidity levels. With its high-tech technology, the BioPod guarantees a precise dosage of light and nutrients, ensuring your plants thrive and flourish at their utmost potential. This is the BOLTZ, the ultimate cordless DIY tool that combines power and creativity. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals, making cutting, drilling, sanding, and polishing easier and better. It is designed by people who use it and meet top industry standards. It uses a common size for tools, so you can use many add-ons and create almost anything you can imagine. Don't let the lack of tools limit your ideas. To handle every job efficiently and precisely, it offers 5 speed options for you to choose from. It also comes with 27 of the most commonly used tool bits, so you'll have everything you need. The battery of the gadget is incredibly powerful and can last at least a week before needing to be recharged. And when it's time to recharge, it only takes 1 hour. With BOLTZ, your DIY projects will reach new heights of creativity and ease. Okay, now let's have a look at Earzz, the exceptional smart home monitor that acts as your attentive third ear, diligently capturing the important sounds no matter where you are in your home. That's right, Earzz is designed to be your watchful companion, instantly alerting you to significant audio cues like the breaking of glass, the gentle cries of a baby, or a timely knock at your door. Its sleek and compact design effortlessly fits in the palm of your hand, making it the perfect gadget for those who want to stay attuned to what truly matters. Effortlessly set up this ingenious device through the user-friendly app, where you can easily customize the sounds you want to monitor. Rest assured that you'll promptly receive notifications on your smartphone, tablet, or even your watch, ensuring that you never miss an important sound. Meet Shelfy, the innovative smart device that will revolutionize your food storage and help you save money. With Shelfy, you can enjoy fresh and delicious food for much longer than usual, while saying goodbye to food spoilage. Shelfy works by purifying the air inside your fridge, eliminating bacteria, fungi, odors, and chemicals that lead to food deterioration. It's simple to use and eco-friendly, making it a practical addition to your kitchen. You can adjust its settings effortlessly using the BOLTZ app or even through voice commands with Alexa and Google Home. Plus, recharging Shelfy is a breeze with a USB-C cable, and its ceramic filter can be easily rinsed underwater. More than just a gadget, Shelfy is a solution to the issue of food waste. By incorporating Shelfy into your routine, you can actively reduce your environmental impact and contribute to the fight against climate change. Do you fret about your lovely cat when you go outside? Well, worry not, as we have OSitter. It is the perfect solution for ensuring your furry friend is well cared for when you're away. Equipped with a powerful full HD camera and Starlight-grade IR night vision, you can see everything clearly, day or night. Its horizontal 360-degree and vertical 110-degree viewing angle provides full visibility, allowing you to monitor your cat's activities from anywhere via the associated app. But OSitter goes beyond surveillance. It offers interactive engagement too. With features like playing, treat dispensing, and mimicking a mouse's movement, it keeps your cat entertained and stimulated. The associated app provides a comprehensive overview of your cat's well-being, allowing you to track their activities and receive health alerts. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the Next Cube channel.